Hi guys, I'm Scott, Ooni ambassador from Scott's Pizza Project, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Banoffee inspired dessert pizza in the Unicode 16. So first of all, we're going to need a 250 gram dough ball, which we've got here, and then some kind of biscuit base, a layer of caramel or toffee, some nice sliced banana, whipped cream in a piping bag, and then we're going to finish it off with some nice grated chocolate. And along with that, some ice cubes. So the reason we're using ice cubes is because we're going to be doing something called blind baking. And blind baking is the process of baking a pie or a pizza in our case without any toppings or fillings, and then adding the rest of the toppings after. So that's everything that we need. So let's get on to the good stuff and make the pizza. So we've got our dough ball ready to be stretched out here. So this is a 260 gram dough ball, like I said. Normally that would make an 11 or 12 inch pizza, but we're going to go for about 9 or 10 inches for this one, just because with the ice I'd rather have the base a touch thicker just to withstand that moisture, to reduce the likelihood of tearing a hole in it. So we're nearly there. We're just going to get rid of that flour. Just stretch it out a little bit more. That's about the right size. And then we're just going to press down, try and get a nice defined crust on it. I think we're ready to go on that, so let's get some flour on the peel. Get it on our peel before we put the ice cubes on. Give it a shake. And then we're just going to reshape it, make it nice and round. And then we're going to get these ice cubes dotted around it. We don't need many, maybe 4 or 5. That's it, and then we're going to go and launch it in the oven. Right, let's get this in the oven. That's right. And we're about ready for our first turn now anyway. You can see it cooking up nicely. Lovely. So we're almost done there. Keep releasing that air out of it if the ice cubes do move around. We're almost there now. Got some nice leopard in on there. What we like to see. And there we have it. Right, so this is out of the oven now, and all you need to do is, there's a little bit of excess moisture on there, so all we're going to do is get a bit of kitchen roll and just soak it up slightly, so otherwise the base will go quite soggy, which we don't want. So first off, we're going to get some of this nice caramel all over it. Just spread it out nice and thick, thicker the better. There we go, that's the caramel. So now we go on with the banana. I've got some nice fresh sliced banana. There we go, that's the banana. And then we're going to go on with our biscuit and break it up nice and small, like that. And then we're going to go on with our piped cream. I like to get in all the gaps. And then we've got our chocolate to finish. So we're just going to get over it with a grater. Like that, lovely chocolate on top. And that's it guys, Banoffee inspired dessert pizza by me, Scott's Pizza Project. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching guys, have a great day.